Many people are curious about installing Ola. Follow these few steps and you'll be good to go. First, remove the front and back of the original doorknob. If Ola fits the door tongue, you can use the existing mechanism. If not, simply use the one we send you. Second, feed the power cable to the door hole, then attach the front handle. Third, on the back side, attach the battery pack, plug in the power cable, and attach the interior handle battery casing. That's it, you're ready to start using Ola.